Hello, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be solving this exponential equation, which what we have here is 2 raised by x plus 2 raised by y is equal to 640. Now, what I can do is to express 640 in this form in terms of 2 raised by a certain exponent plus 2 raised by a certain exponent, okay? So let's start off by writing it like this. I'm going to write 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power y is equal to, we can express 640 as what? 64 times 10. Now I can express 64 as a power of 2. So let's do that. I'm going to have 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power y is equal to, again 64 will be what? 2 raised to the power of 6. Why is this so? Because 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Times 2 is 32. Times 2 is what? 64. So that's why I wrote 64 as 2 raised to the power of 6. Now what about 10? We cannot express 10 as a power of 2 for it to have an exponent of a whole number. So the way to go around this 10 is to write it as 2 times 5. Don't worry, I know 5 can also be expressed as a power of 2 with a whole number exponent. But let's do something with that first. Now to do this, I'm going to have 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power y is equal to 2 raised to power 6 times 2 times what? 5. So if you apply the law of indices here, this 2 has an exponent of 1. So we're going to add the power, because from the multiplication law of indices, when they have the same base, we can add the exponent. So that will be 6 plus 1. Then we still have times what? 5. So what can we do to 5? We can express 5 as 4 plus 1. Don't worry, 4 can be expressed as a power of 2. And then of course we're going to have a whole number exponent if you do that. So I'm going to write 2 raised to power 6 plus 1 is 7. All right. Now what about 5? I'm going to write 4 plus 1. You see what I'm doing here? Good. So next line is going to be 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power y is equal to 2 raised to power 7 bracket 4 will now be what? 2 raised to power of 2 plus 1. Now we're going to expand this. So 2 raised to power 7 will multiply 2 raised to power 2. And again, 2 raised to power 7 will multiply 1. So I am now going to rewrite this as this. 2 raised to power 7 times 2 raised to power 2 plus 2 raised to power 7 times what? 1. Okay, so here 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power y is equal to same thing that we did earlier. I am going to write this as what? 2 raised to power 7 plus 2, because they have the same basis. So I will add the exponents. Now this is plus what? 2 raised to power 7 times 1 is 2 raised to power 7. So finally we have 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power y is equal to 2 raised to power 9 plus 2 raised to power 7. Okay, now by comparing, if you compare what we have on the left hand side and on the right hand side, you can see that this is 2 raised to power x, right? It compares with this, and 2 raised to power y compares with this. You can also write it interchangeably. See what I mean? So if we compare, x is equal to 9, so we are comparing the exponent, and then what? Y is also equal to what? 7. So y is equal to 7. But that's not all. We can also interchange the position. So we can also rewrite what I have on the right hand side like this: 2 raised to power 7 plus 2 raised to power 9, and still equate this to what? This. All right. So we can also say that what? Or x is equal to 7, y is equal to what? 9. So putting everything together is going to be x comma y is equal to what? When x is 9, y is 7, or when x is 7, y is 9. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like, share with your friends and family. I hope to see you in the next one. It's bye for now.